Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today let's look at a 2020 Yamaha AR210. I'm starting on the back of this Yamaha AR210. Has the C-deck matting installed on the rear platform. Makes it very comfortable when you're lounging at the lake, anchored down. Walk-through center has the cushion that will go in this spot here, so this makes all a nice horseshoe shaped seat. Plenty of drink holders, large port seat, rearward facing, has a table mount here on the side, captain's chair with a bolster, tilt steering wheel, has your stereo, digital display, analog gauges, ski locker, ample room in the bow for plenty of seating. Also has the water sport tower with collapsible bimini top. This is the 2020 AR210 by Yamaha. If you'd like to take a look at this AR210 by Yamaha, again, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168.